Alrighty. Good evening, folks. This is TDT, the Developing Trader, coming back at you again with another video. Alrighty. So today, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to take a look at what I have before you here. It is the index Triad, and I want you to take a look at something interesting going into this week's trading. Now, on the weekly chart, you can see here SP500, the ES, has yet to reach this liquidity pool above the market. We have the NASDAQ that has already broken the market structure here and entered that liquidity zone. And we see here that the Dow Jones is the sixth sister, having a bit of an issue breaking that market structure. So just looking at what we have here, this is something I want you to stay aware of going into this coming week. Currently, as of now, we do have a divergence on the Triad. So keep your eyes open for what happens under these conditions. It doesn't mean that it's going to go and have another run lower, but it is something to keep an eye on to see if the Dow Jones and the SP500 is able to get into that liquidity zone early this week, or will we have some retracements, repeal backs, or just a flat out reversal. Okay, so I decided I was going to take it into the 4-hour chart because it's given me a clearer view of what we have going on over the past few weeks. If you've been following along with my channel and my weekly reviews that I'm dropping on Sundays, I'm a little late today, I apologize, but let's take a look at what we have. So last week we were looking for this gap to be visited, this PD array here. As you can see, we were here last week, if I recall. Let me see where this week started. 18, 17, 19, 20. There we go. So price opened around this price here, and you can go and check the video out and you'll see where I was suggesting that I want to see if price can break through this area. If it does get some resistance, we may have a retracement back. We did have a small retracement, and then we went ahead and attacked that PD array there. Now, as you can see, price cleanly swept through this PD array, cleanly slept. So as you can see, price cleanly swept through that fair value gap, leaving it open even now. Now, price is extremely bullish from the looks of it right now. You see I still have our line here that's delineating the divergence that we have on the weekly chart. But I want you to follow price here. You can see each week we have a divergence that signals where price is headed. All of these lines here are basically divergences on the Triad, signaling where the market may want to go next. Now, at this moment, my eyes are on this area and this area, but I have not taken my attention off what I showed you at the beginning of the video. So I'm going to be very mindful moving into this week. I want to show you the Triad real quick. You can see a few, it was about 2 weeks back we had this, or it was a week ago. Last week's trading, we had another divergence right here, signaling this move up. So I want to see what happens this week. As you can see, NAS has already attacked the buy side liquidity here, and Dow Jones and SP500 have failed to attack those buy side liquidity pools. So do I think that the divergence on the weekly is going to cause some bearish movements? That remains to be seen. I'm not trying to make a prediction on what like I'm not going to, let me see how I can put this. I'm not just going to go gung-ho on we have a divergence, so I'm selling. You get what I'm saying? What I'm going to be doing is, as I've been doing every week, taking a look at what price action is doing on a daily basis and then seeing how I can engage. I do have my bias in mind that I've been showing you over the past few weeks. That bias has been wrong on a few weeks. It has been right on a few weeks. Some days you're going to have your bias right. Some days you're going to have it wrong. But what you need to really get deep into studying and understanding is trade management and managing your risk. Those are the most important parts of this game. Based on your process, based on your level of development so far, you are going to achieve these things by repetitively going in and engaging price and then documenting what's happening. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to close out this video. Guys, we're looking at these liquidity pools, but I do suspect that we may revisit this fair value gap right here that I have delineated here. We may revisit this, we may not, but I'll keep my eye on if price becomes very bearish and it does go into this fair value gap. We want to see if it fills it. If it does, we'll probably be looking for further movement down. But if not, these liquidity pools are definitely the ones that I have my eyes on this week. So that's going to be me this week, guys. I hope you guys are still enjoying the videos. I hope you guys have a blessed week. I wish you an abundant, prosperous week as always. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I am going to start doing a few more videos, as I keep saying, tackling mindset, trade management, and how I engage price on a daily basis. Okay, so once again, this is TDT, the Developing Trader. Y'all have a great one. I'm out. Peace.